Good morning, 6th grade. Today is Tuesday, April 7th, and we are working on writing and interpreting algebraic expressions, page 23 and 24. And just a reminder, most of you have been showing me this when you get it completed, sending me a picture or something like that. We will finish out this packet on the 15th. And I will be getting paper packets ready for people that need paper this weekend, and I will start a different packet online for you that are doing the online work. I'll have something where you can do it on the Chromebook or on the computer, iPad, phone, whatever you're using. That might make it a little bit easier for you, so we won't have to continue doing the videos every day. As far as I know, the packet paper pickup time will be Monday. I'm not sure what hours, if it's going to be the 9 to 6 again, or what hours it's going to be. We'll have to wait and see. Mr. Grafton will be doing a one-call announcement for that, so be listening for that. Alright, so I gave you the first problem yesterday when it says 12 more than 8.2 times a number n. That means you add the 12 after you've multiplied. You still have to follow order of operations, so we write it that way so that we can do that. For number 3, it says 3 less than the quotient of 18 in a number. You have to remember that quotient means divide. Okay, so it's 3 less than that answer. So first we have to write the 18 divided by m, and then after we get that, it's 3 less than that, so minus 3. You could put parentheses around 18 divided by m, but you don't have to because of order of operations. That's going to be done first anyway. Okay? Number 3, 5.6 times the sum of 4 and a number p. So first we have to do this, the sum, which means plus of a number of 4 and a number p. So we have the sum of that, so 4 plus p, and then 5.6 times that. You could put that in front or in back, that doesn't matter. And then times. Sorry, it's a little sloppy. So 5.6 times 4 plus p. All right, number 4, the quotient, again that means divide, of 2 and a number x times 3. So the quotient, 2 divided by x, and then times 3. And again, we could have the times 3 in front or in back. That one doesn't matter. All right, number 5. 5 friends split the cost of parking at an amusement park. Each of them also buys a $30 ticket. Write an algebraic expression that represents the amount of money each friend spends, and identify any variables. All right, so first of all, we're going to use P for parking, okay, and they're splitting that 5 ways. So for that part, we're going to have the parking divided by 5, right? They're splitting that part. Each of them also buys a $30 ticket. Well, there's 5 friends, so we know that's going to be 5 times 30 for that part. They want us to represent the amount of money, each friend spends. Oh, each friend spends. So we don't need to take that times 5. I thought it was the total amount spent. I'm sorry. So our variables that we're going to have is the P for parking. So I'm going to write that here. P equals parking. So each of them is going to take the parking, divide by 5, and then they're also going to have to pay the $30 for their ticket. So that right there would be your equation for that. Or your expression, sorry, your expression. All right, number 6, a movie theater is open X hours, Monday through Thursday, and Y hours, Friday through Sunday. Write an algebraic expression that represents the number of hours per week the theater is open. Okay, so X is the hours that they're open Monday through Thursday. So that's 4 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so 4 times X, or 4X, however you want to write that. You could write it like this also. And then we're going to add to that the Friday through Sunday, and that's 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So 3 days. So there we have 3Y. Oops, 3 times Y, sorry. I was doing them different ways. So 4 times X plus 3 times Y could also be written this way. And that represents the number of hours they're open each week. All right, number 7. Andrew writes the algebraic expression 2S plus 279 to represent the cost of his lunch. He bought 2 sandwiches and a large drink. Identify any variables, coefficients, and terms in the expression and tell what each represents. Okay, so for the variables, remember those are the letters. And we have S for that, which represents his sandwich. Well, lunch, I guess. I'm assuming sandwich. Yeah, about 2 sandwiches. Sandwiches. Then the coefficients. Those are the numbers that go in front of the letters. We only have one of those. That's 2. And that represents 2 sandwiches. Ooh, I hit a button, sorry. I went crazy for a second. Okay, and then the terms would be 279, which represents the cost for his drink. Okay, and that's what you need to write for that. All right, on the next page, page 24, is number 8. A teacher writes the algebraic expression 24C plus 5M plus 1999 to represent the cost of supplies she purchased for her classroom. She bought 24 packages of colored pencils, 5 packages of markers, and a beanbag chair. Identify any variables, coefficients, and terms. So the variables that we have here. No, be quiet. Sorry about that. My girls got excited about something here. Variables are C, which represents the colored pencils. And M, which represents the markers. Okay. I need to zoom out a little bit, I think, here. There we go. Now for the coefficients. We have the numbers that are in front of the letters. So we have 24, which represents how many packages she bought of the colored pencils. So I'm going to put CP packets, colored pencil packets, abbreviating here. And then 5 represents the marker packets. How many of the marker packets she bought. Okay, now the terms are $19.99. And that represents the beanbag chair. How much that cost. All right. Now, number 9. Write a situation that could be represented by the algebraic expression 3s plus 215. I'm going to go back to the one that was his lunch, the cost of someone's lunch. So we'll say that they bought 3 sandwiches and let's say a medium drink. That was $2.15. Okay, so that would match that equation. You would have to say then how much did the lunch cost? That's what you're trying to find out. 3 sandwiches, you're taking 3 times the price of the sandwiches, and a medium drink at $2.15. You add those together and you would have the cost of the lunch if we knew how much sandwiches cost. Okay. Now tomorrow is going to be our last day for this week. We have Easter break Thursday and Friday, and then we'll be back on Monday. Like I said, Monday will be the new packet day, so it looks like we probably will not be doing page 26, 27. We won't be getting to those. I thought we had page 28. I put the wrong dates on that. Yeah, 27, 28, and 29. Maybe we will. Maybe I'll expand that out. Hang on to your packets. Don't throw them away yet. We might be working on those next week. I'll just have to wait and see if I can stretch that out or if we need a new packet for the papers. Okay? All right. Well, I hope you guys have a good day, and I will see you tomorrow.